If equipped, Trailer Reverse Steering Control, or TRSC, allows the driver to back up a trailer using a knob located on the center stack. The driver controls the accelerator and brake pedals while steering the trailer in the direction the knob is turned. This feature also allows the driver to back up a vehicle and trailer in a straight line when the knob is in the center position. Minimal setup is required to use this feature. First, hitch your trailer to the truck and ensure all electrical wiring is connected. The system will automatically calibrate an attached trailer during normal forward driving with no additional action needed from the driver. To use the system, with the gear selector in park, put your foot on the brake. Then push the activation button located above the TRSC knob. The LED on the button will glow solid and the instrument cluster display will direct you to shift into reverse. Once in reverse, the system is active. Remove hands from the steering wheel and slowly back up while turning the TRSC knob in the direction you want the trailer to go. Turning the knob clockwise will cause the trailer to turn right and vice versa. Releasing the knob returns to its center position, and the trailer will back up in a straight line. If the vehicle has not had enough time to automatically calibrate after connecting a trailer, you'll see a Calibrate Trailer message in the instrument cluster. If this is the case, perform the following maneuver to calibrate the trailer. Drive forward at least 100 feet or 30 meters. Perform a 90-degree turn and return to a straight position for at least another 100 feet or 30 meters. Perform another 90-degree turn, followed by another straight drive of at least 100 feet or 30 meters. Check that the system has calibrated by pushing the TRSC button. A couple things to keep in mind. Your calibration turns should have a radius of 50 to 65 feet, or 15 to 20 meters, which is the radius of a typical turn at an intersection. The system may not detect a trailer in low light or very sunny conditions. Also, TRSC will automatically retain the calibration of the previous 5 trailers connected, so recalibration shouldn't be necessary. Remember, TRSC is not a substitute for safe driving. Always remain alert and pay attention to your surroundings before backing up. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.